Good day everyone, I'm Emerson Beltran.
I am Justin Antonio.
And today we're going to explain the brake system of an automobile. The brake system is responsible for slowing down or stopping the vehicle safely. It is one of the most important safety system because it helps prevent accident and gives the driver control over vehicle speed.
So the process starts when the driver presses the brake pedal. The master cylinder then creates a hydraulic pressure using brake fluid. So this pressure travels through the brake lines going to the brake calipers and located near the wheels.
The brake caliper pushes the brake pads against the rotating brake disc or rotor. The friction created between the brake pads and rotor slows down the wheel until the vehicle stops. Modern vehicle may also use an anti-lock brake system or ABS to prevent wheel locking during sudden braking. The brake system is very important because it provides safe stopping power, better vehicle control, and protection for the driver and passenger. That's how important the brake system in our automobile. Uh, so we need to check always our brakes before we're going to ride. So that's all. Thank you.